In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a Facebook ads coupon voucher. Whether you're new to Facebook ads or just looking to save some money on your next campaign, redeeming a voucher is a straightforward process. Let's delve into each step to ensure you can successfully apply your coupon in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Facebook Ads Manager. This tool is essential for managing and creating your ad campaigns. Open up your browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. Once you're there, you'll see a Go to Ads Manager button. Click on this to proceed. This will direct you to the Ads Manager login page. On this page, you'll need to sign in with your Facebook account. Enter your email and password as you would for any regular login. It's important to ensure you use the email associated with your ad account. When you're ready, click on the Log In button. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your campaign's dashboard, the hub for checking all your ad campaigns and their performance. Next, look for the Billing and Payments section. It's typically located on the left-hand navigation of your dashboard. Click on it to enter the area where you can manage your financial settings and payment methods. Once inside, find and select the Payment Settings option. This is crucial for adding new payment methods, including applying coupon vouchers. Within the payment settings, you'll need to look for and click on Add Payment Method. This will open a set of options for you to choose from. Since we're focusing on using an ad credit, select the Add Credit option from the list. This signals Facebook you're going to redeem a credit coupon. After selecting Add Credit, move forward by clicking on Next. You'll be prompted to enter your specific coupon code. Carefully input the code you have on hand into the designated field. It's vital to ensure accuracy here, as a correct code will determine your ability to claim the credit successfully. Finally, once you've entered the code, click on the Claim button. This action will apply your coupon to your account, and successfully claiming it means your voucher is now ready to use for your ad campaigns. You'll likely receive a confirmation message indicating the successful addition of your credit. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've efficiently applied a Facebook ads coupon voucher to your account. This process not only gives you the opportunity to enhance your marketing efforts at a reduced cost, but also helps you better manage your advertising budget. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.